What is ISO 45001? ISO 45001 is the international standard for occupational health and safety management systems. It's sometimes referred to as OHSMS. ISO 45001 is the first international standard for occupational health and safety and provides a framework to enable organizations to effectively manage occupational health and safety. The objective is to provide a safe and healthy workplace for workers and persons under an organization's control, and to continue improving those standards. ISO 45001 is set to drastically improve levels of workplace safety. It replaces OHSAS 18001. It encourages disciplines that enable organizations to manage risk and comply with legislation. It helps create and maintain a safe and healthy working environment for workers, visitors, and anyone affected by your organization's activities. It promotes communication between workers and management to help improve the health and safety culture within the workplace. It helps an organization plan, manage, and review their occupational health and safety performance and continually improve. It's not all about written procedures and paperwork, so you should not be intimidated, especially if you are a small organization. Ultimately, an organization that implements a system that complies with ISO 45001 is well placed to reduce the number of accidents, injuries, and deaths in the workplace. What are the benefits? If you've not already got an occupational health and safety management system in place, ISO 45001 puts you in control of risk in your workplace. ISO 45001 will help you meet your legal obligations, since it's an employer's duty to protect the health, safety and welfare of employees and other people affected by their business. It helps create a safer place to work. You should also enjoy improved productivity because ISO 45001 requires workforce involvement and encourages people to take ownership of issues. Your organisation will benefit from cost savings through efficient management systems, fewer accidents, reduced downtime and improved health of your workforce. ISO 45001 will improve your reputation, positioning you as a good supplier. It also assists with supplier assessment, monitoring and control. Finally, ISO 45001 neatly integrates with other ISO management systems such as ISO 9001 and ISO 14001. Who is it for? ISO 45001 is suited to almost any organisation of every size in any sector. It is equally suited to smaller organisations. The system you implement should be proportionate to the level of risk, size and complexity of your organisation. Many businesses need a certified occupational health and safety system in order to trade. It's often a condition of being a supplier to another business or public sector body. If you take safety seriously, and the law requires that you do, then you can benefit from implementing this health and safety management system and securing UKAS ISOQAR certification. What happened to OHSAS 18001? OHSAS 18001 is still around, but it is being phased out. It has proven to be a very effective occupational health and safety system since it was introduced in 1999 as a British standard and then adopted internationally. If you've got an OHSAS 18001 certificate, it will still be valid until the 12th of March 2021. After that date, you will need certification to ISO 45001. Many organisations are already migrating from OHSAS to ISO 45001. What's new? The ISO 45001 standard is quite similar to its predecessor. The main differences are it puts more emphasis on leadership from top management, it's more proactive, less reactive, and it puts more emphasis on employee engagement. It also aligns more closely with other ISO standards in the way it's structured. So if you already have ISO 9001 or ISO 14001, for example, the standards will harmonise more effectively. Migrating to ISO 45001 will make your systems easier to manage. How to get started? If you are already OHSAS 18001 certified, then you may be well positioned to implement ISO 45001. Speak to your consultant if you have one, or your certification body. If you are new to this, then we recommend you speak to a member of our technical team who can advise the best way forward. You may decide that you want to use a consultant listed on the ACCREDITED ISOQAR Associate Network. You can find consultants on our website. A great way to get going is with the ACCREDITED ISOQAR ISO 45001 Starter Pack. It includes a copy of the standard, a place on a foundation training course, an on-site pre-audit assessment by an ACCREDITED ISOQAR auditor, and discounted certification. Whatever you do, you have to be committed. You will only succeed if you put your heart into it. Visit our website or call us today to find out more or place an order.